Beckman Industrial DM78 multimeter, little pocket one. I'll see if we can get to read the just about. But it does work. Brilliant little machine. It's like it was credit card size sold to me, but it ain't really credit card size, a bit bigger. But still good size, and you can put it in your top pocket when you're at work. Got volts, AC and DC. Oh, that's probably why I didn't get a reading. No, not really. Anyway, but it does do volts, AC and DC. Ohms, I'll try it on my little board here. So 470 kilo ohms. Yeah, 468, close. 220. 22 kilo ohms. 100 ohms. A bit slow on that one, but doesn't do capacitance, but it does do diode and continuity, so let's check continuity. Good beep. Oh, check diode. Yeah. Really handy little meter. I recommend to get one of these if you work like I do, sometimes at heights and you don't really want to carry your big meter around where you just put it in your top pocket and you can pull it out whenever you need to. So really handy and cheap.